is stupid o'clock on a Friday morning. I have to take my bike to Echuca today before work. The bike is going to get a full service and 2 new tyres. So that's pretty cool. I'm looking forward to it. I do, however, need to wake up and get ready. So let's do that. Rightio, so she's got 2 brand new spanking tyres. It does need a new belt next service, and that's bearing on the side of caution.
The next day.
Sometimes like all you want is run. Hear me out, hear me out. It's all the things you never show. There are the things I want to know. Secrets
Right, so we're at a brand new camp spot. It's called Dead Man's Corner in Lake Kajelico. I'm pretty sure we're still in New South Wales. We hoped that it would be a little better than it is. Up there, it's kind of no coverage and quite hilly, like not flat enough for a tent or a swag. So Bob and I have just camped here.
But if you don't wanna tell me now, I guess I'll never know. Here we go, turning all the wrongs into rights. Here we go, you can take me there tonight.
What time is it, Bob?
0 o'clock.